What are the signs that the roach extermination techniques have been effective overnight?
Welcome everyone. Today, we'll be discussing how to identify signs that your roach extermination techniques have been effective overnight. Pest control, especially dealing with roaches, is a significant concern for many homeowners, and being able to judge the success of your efforts is a key step towards a roach-free home.
What are the expected signs of effective roach extermination?
Decreased roach sightings. The first and most obvious sign is a decrease in the number of roaches you spot around your home. Cockroaches are nocturnal creatures, so an effective extermination should lead to significantly fewer roach sightings, especially during the night. Less roach droppings. Another important sign of successful extermination is a noticeable reduction in roach droppings, which look like ground coffee or black pepper. These droppings are often found in places where roaches hide or travel. Fewer egg cases. Cockroaches leave behind egg cases, known as oothekai. If your extermination methods have been effective, you should find fewer of these in your home.
What other indications can help me confirm success?
Odor change. Cockroaches produce a musty, unpleasant smell. If this odor starts to disappear, it might indicate that the roach population in your home is declining. Presence of dead roaches. The presence of dead roaches is a very clear sign of successful extermination. If you start finding dead roaches around your home, it's likely that your extermination efforts have been successful. No signs of active infestation. This includes no sounds of scurrying in walls or ceilings, no more roach tracks, smear marks, and no more sightings of roaches during the daytime, which usually indicates a heavy infestation. In summary, the signs of successful roach extermination include decreased roach sightings, less roach droppings, fewer egg cases, a change in odor, the presence of dead roaches, and no signs of active infestation. If you observe these changes after an extermination effort, chances are high that you've made significant progress in your battle against these pests. We hope this video has been helpful to you. Thank you for watching, and here's to a roach-free home.